different types. So normally you drive using voltage, OLED you drive using current, and even glass-based technology has a hard time driving OLEDs, which is why it's struggled to come into the market.
Okay, but even if you as plastic logic solve the problem of the backbone, you still have a problem with viscosity of those particles.
For this technology, yes. But for example, maybe we can use LCD technology and get the video right, or OLED technology. So we don't necessarily need to use e-ink technology. But you're right. If you wanted to keep the attributes, the bistability, then you're fundamentally limited here. Yes.
Are you planning on scaling up the size of the substrates that you're processing?
So right now, the answer is yes. I mean, I think one of the limitations on the size is actually the speed of the individual switches, and as our speed is getting faster, we can certainly scale up the process. And so, I mean, that's a conversation that we can have, today. Excellent.
Okay, thank you very much. Right, so next speaker is Ify and Jewel. Well done, Ify. Getting here all the way from Swansea. And Ify's from the Welsh Centre for Printing and Coating, which I mentioned earlier. I didn't say too many bad things about it.
No.
Ify's going to talk about liquid coating technologies, I believe.
Well, yes, sort of.
Sort of. Thank you.
Well, actually not at all, really. But okay, what I'm going to talk about today is, because I have moved within the last 6 months, I'm going to talk about how we use printed electronics technologies within a building envelope. And I work for an integrated knowledge centre called the Sustainable Product Engineering Centre for Innovative Functional Industrial Coatings, which is a mouthful, or specific, which is less of a mouthful, but it does create difficulties in some discussions. And we're a collaboration between the EPSRC, the Engineering and Physical Science Research Councils. We're funded by Technology Strategy Board and the Welsh Assembly Government. And then we link in with a number of industrial partners. The lead industrial partner is Tata Steel. If you look at generations of buildings, we started off building buildings to protect us from the environment and hoarding savages. Well, that's what we did. We wanted to keep warm. We wanted to keep the rain out. We started for the environment. Then, the next stage, we actually insulated these buildings.